guys, if you're new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be unbagging my September Yes or Yas bag. Now I know we are in October, but life happens and I didn't get around to filming it, and it came in the last week of September, so I was busy that weekend, but you know, better late than never. Okay, so I do have one of the products on right now. I'll tell you guys as soon as I get to it. And I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out and show you guys each product one by one. If you guys don't know, Yes or Yas is a monthly subscription where you get 3 to 7 full-size products a month for $14.99 plus shipping and handling. So it does come out to close to $16. And you can cancel whenever you want. I do have a link. If you are interested, you can use my link to get 10% off your first box, but your first box only. It is down in the description box of the video. So if you guys want to try it out, you can go ahead and use my link to get a discount. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel it. So yes. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the little card. So this is September's little card. It is really cute. So September 2019, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes. So you do receive a free gift every time you complete a 4 consecutive month. So damn, they owe me one. They owe me a couple. It's because you're supposed to email them when you reach you're like every 4 months, and I just keep forgetting. So the monthly savings for the month of September was 87% off retail price, and the retail value of everything was $102 for this month. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna start with one of the products that I'm wearing. It is the eyeshadow. So it is an eyeshadow palette, and this is what the look looks like that came out. It is such a pretty palette. Oh my god. So this is the poolside eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty. Tell me how cute this packaging is. Like, oh my god. So this is the actual palette. I did already use it, so that's why it looks a little bit messy, but how pretty are these shades? Like, oh my god, look at that. So I did use I used like half of them on my eyes. So it is a really colorful look. Really pretty. I do recommend this palette. The eyeshadow is really easy to blend, and there was like no fallout at all. Even when I was putting the shimmer eyeshadow on my lower lashes, every time I put a shimmer eyeshadow on my lower lashes, it always tends to fall down to my cheek, and it just fucks up the whole makeup. But this one didn't. But I also did wet the brush, so that might have something to do with it. But I had no fallout from the matte shades at all either. So I do recommend this palette, and it is really pretty. The second item is a lipstick or lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. This is by Dirty Little Secrets, and this is their lip gloss in the shade Rose Petal. So this is the packaging right here. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Hocus Pocus is playing on Freeform, and I'm just like, I want to watch it. Okay, so this is the lipstick. The lip gloss. This is such a cute packaging. Like, so cute. Yeah, Rose Petal. Ooh, it smells pretty. Ooh, that is super pigmented for a lip gloss. Nice. Ooh, I'm not wearing it today. I am wearing something else on my lips, but that is a really pretty lip gloss. I'm gonna have to put it on soon. So that's the product number 2. Okay. The next item is a face mask. This is by 𝐒𝐔𝐁, and this is their age-defying hydroxy face mask. And it is a 100% organic skincare. And then it just tells you directions. And it's recommended to use 2 to 3 times a week. So this is the packaging of the mask right there. Oh, it smells really pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. So that's the third product. The fourth product is a highlighter. This is by Luna and this is a highlighter in the shade Crescent. This is the packaging. I like the packaging. It is so cute because it has a little moon and it's like actually matte. So I like anything matte. I just like the way it looks. And this is, ooh, pretty highlighter in the shade. It's a baked highlighter in the shade Crescent. So that's the highlighter right there. And that's the shade name. Ooh. I think it's going to be a little bit too white for me to apply to my face. But I will for sure use it as an inner corner highlighter or as a brow bone highlighter. Yeah, I do like it. I can also use it as an eyeshadow. So that's the plus side. So that was the fourth product. The fifth and the last product is an eyeshadow. This is by I&M Beauty. And this is, yeah, I&M Cosmetics. This is their Velveteen Dream Shadow. And it is a single eyeshadow in the shade Go Gaga. So this is the packaging. I like the packaging. It is super cute. Can you guys see that? So cute. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Yeah, so this is in the shade Go Gaga. So that's the shade name. And then this is the front of the eyeshadow. Such a pretty color. Okay. Oh, yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. Ooh, that is so pretty. Cute. All for this video. I do like the products I got this month. I always like everything I get. But I just so impressed because they keep giving like better products every month, especially like the palettes. So they always give you a palette every month, whether it be an eyeshadow palette or a face palette. But yeah, I just love the brands they've been adding lately. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what other videos. Oh my god. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Don't forget, if you want to try Yes or Yes, you can use the link to get 10% off. My link is down in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.